Hi, my name is Edadale Hornsteiner, and I am the founder and CEO of Live Living International Foundation, a faith-based health and wellness organization, and the editor of Transformational Living magazine. Our goal is to educate, inspire, awaken, and empower believers to develop physical and spiritual wholeness for the purpose of being fit to do good works. Towards the end of 2013, we made some changes to the structure of Live Living. We became a non-profit organization, and with this change, we have placed greater emphasis on our purpose. The Word of God clearly instructs us to renew our minds in order to experience transformative living. I do not believe that this transformation is limited to so-called spiritual matters. A healthy mind determines how we transform our bodies and whether we achieve the abundant life Jesus Christ demonstrated for us and promised us. Everything in life begins with a thought. Transform your thought and you transform your life. I believe Jesus took care of his body, even properly preparing it for his own burial with the assistance of Mary Magdalene. I believe Jesus was extremely fit, physically and spiritually. He walked everywhere and he practiced the spiritual disciplines of prayer and fasting. I believe Jesus was a sharp thinker, for scriptures tell us he grew in wisdom and in favor with God and man. I believe we should imitate Christ and become good stewards of our body, our mind, and our spirit until death do us part. Transformational Living magazine, as a downloadable app, shares ways for us to improve our lives from the inside out. I don't know about you, but I plan to be in school for the rest of my life.